Now let's start with the criteria for joining NATO. Among we have a functional democratic government, willingness to resolve conflicts peacefully, fair treatment of minorities. Another thing is willingness to contribute military equipment and finance to the organization. Now, NATO, or the Transatlantic Organization, is a military organization, actually the world's biggest. Please, I request you to subscribe to this channel and follow on Facebook and Pinterest. Don't forget to visit the website www.gofocus.site frequently to check new things. Now, Finland has decided to join NATO. In a matter of few hours, they will join. So, what you must know is the best part of Finland joining this is war is not nice. And this should send a clear warning to Russia that many more countries will not wish to go for war. Instead, they would wish to peacefully solve conflict. And the worst part of it is this kind of war of bombing schools, hospitals, and the rest in this 21st century. Personally, I experienced war, northern part of Uganda, the resistance army. Unfortunately, that war was not caught by media attention to the international media, but we suffered here a lot, and I have that experience. Glad if you have never experienced war, you may judge anyhow. So now, Russia's decision to go and attack Ukraine was not a good decision. That offensive act without provocation is almost something I can call evil. Imagine all these gains that Ukraine had been going through, and now they are going backward. I think Ukraine did not involve themselves in any kind of causing conflict around the world. We must remember, if you criticize the UK and US, that first of all, the books that you study, the research, the discoveries, most of them comes from there. So if you ask yourself, is Russia not discovering? Is Russia not writing books? No, they are writing, but the problem is they are selfish. They don't want to share the knowledge with you. That's just an example of something you need to look at before judging the UK, US, and the NATO. Congratulations to Finland for making such a bold statement and a bold move. And may peace be to Ukraine, may peace be to Finland, and may peace also be to Russia. And I pray they change their mind and withdraw that Russia, that war against Ukraine. Or if they can't withdraw, then I pray that they get defeated. Peace to Russia, Ukraine, and Finland. Please like the video, comment, and share to your friends. Bye-bye.
Dini kompiti kanina jua barja yote ni kora nuwa pundino kwero punyo kwa dong ni kwero na lego